Hello everybody. I Sapna Sangode, Assistant Professor AISSMS, College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for my today's topic on food and beverage management in fast food outlets. Let us understand how the food and beverage management can be done in fast food outlet. Fast food may be defined as that sector of the catering industry, primarily concerned with the preparation and service of food and beverages quickly for immediate sale to the customer. For example, McDonald's, Burger King, KFC, and Wendy's are some of the better known fast food operators. What are the objectives of this topic? Let us understand at the end of this topic, students should be able to understand how the food and beverage management procedures can be carried out in a fast food, and they can also know a managing target about market. They can understand how to manage the customer relations. Introduction. These food and beverage outlets consist of a diverse operating facilities. The fast food offer limited menus such as burgers, french fries, etc. Customer order their food at a counter under a brightly lit menu featuring colored image of the food items. Fast food outlet. Fast food outlets have become popular due to the following reason. First point is found a very convenient locations. Second point, we have menus are limited, which makes it easy to customer to make a quick decision. Third point, value for money and time. And fourth one is deliver the fast services including a self service. And fifth, food and beverage management in fast food outlet depend upon the basic policies. Let us understand what is all these basic policies. First one is the financial policy. Second one is a marketing policy, and third one is catering policies. Let us understand more in detail about these all policies. Financial considerations or financial policy. Let us understand in fast food outlet what is financial consideration. Generally, fast food outlets do not require high initial capital investment and fixed costs. But yes, definitely it requires higher percentage of variable cost. High level of convenience food is generally served in fast food outlet, which is called as cook to order. Product selling price and the ranges are also very low. Pricing need to be carefully calculated compared with the competitors' pricing. And it is very important to control the cost and balancing the selling the food cost at around 20 to 30% and minimum labor. So, fast food can be a very profitable operation that involves relatively low startup cost. Marketing. The marketing policy of the fast food organization is the key success in this sector of the industry. Marketing consideration have brought an increasing awareness of the importance of marketing to this outlet. Marketing. Some operation will have a unique selling point, which might be the freshness of the product or the speed of service, or spirit of hospitality and ethics in the organization. Definitely when we talk about all other types of fast food outlet, definitely there some of the other hand we require some different things in In this picture, you can just see how the marketing has been done. There will be a different research management, advertising, business services, concept has to be there, data creative mass has to be there, different plan. This is all included in a marketing. A study of many of these organizations provides an outline to the marketing policy, which may be discussed under the variables of product, price, place, and promotions. Let us understand more clearly about this. 7 P's of marketing. First one is product. Product is not only menu but the quality of the food and beverage which is offered to the customer. Next one is price. It is a monetary value of the product. This is what the buyer pays to the seller including discounts and other payment period. And the price must be seen by this customer as giving good value money together with the consistent and standard product of good quality. Now place. The place refers to the way which the products and premises are made readily available to the customer at the appropriate time and location. Next one is promotion. Promotion, it refers to all methods and tools which is used to give product information to the buyers. Continue with this process. Process of service delivery decides the satisfaction of the customer. Now next one is physical evidence. What exactly it is? The tangible elements of fast food outlet like table arrangement, menu design which gives the customer satisfaction include in a physical evidence. And next one is very important, people who imply the human elements involved in the catering policy. Catering policy, how you are carrying out that particular business. When we talk about the catering policy, definitely with certain points comes under our mind, that is called type of customer first, which kind of customers are your outlet are expecting and their opinion. While largest operation will tend to have a large number of a prepackaged product, this all will lead to the definitely customer satisfaction, which is the ultimate motto of each and every outlet to increase their revenue and to make their business success. Organizing and staffing. The number of management person in a fast food operation depend on a great extent on the size and type of the establishment. It requires a high percentage of part-time labor can be used for a one season in fast food outlet, and most of the time training is given for a quick service and based on the menu pictures. Training can be done by the owners or a parent company. Now, control and performance measures. Let us understand controlling and measuring performance of a food and beverage based on standard proposed against the operation performed. Next one is control can be given to the operational one and the post operational one. The time between the event and the control is very critical. Here we have to control. Continue with this. Many times barcode and scanner technology is not uncommon in established fast food outlet. Technology speed up the service dramatically, enabling the servers to deal with even more customer per hour. Quiz. Please like and subscribe the channel. Also attempt the small quiz related to the topic, though the link provided in the description of the YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any kind of query or question related to this video, please let me know. Thank you. Have a great time. Below mentioned references are given for this video.